Chosen one, you are not meant to have a job. There, I said it. I know it's controversial, but if you felt called to click on this video, know that this is not a coincidence. And today I'm going to share with you what you should do instead. Because if you keep staying stuck in your job until you're like 75 years old and you can finally retire, you're probably going to regret it. Your birthright is a delicious dream life. Not being stuck in a job you hate that is unfulfilling to you. That is not the path of a chosen one. Now, first of all, what is a chosen one? So I define a chosen one as a volunteer who incarnated here to help humanity through this transition from 3D to 5D to New Earth. So as a volunteer, you're here not just to help your own spiritual evolution, but also others, literally raising the vibration of this planet. Now, obviously, this happens just you being here because you are of such high frequency. But the reason why you struggle so much in 9-to-5 jobs is because your soul is not made to follow, it's made to lead. Jobs often require you to suppress your intuition, to follow a manual created by someone else's ego. And this creates a massive internal conflict because your soul is trying to move toward an alignment while your mind is stuck in survival mode. And true safety is living a life that is authentic to you. Your job is like your golden cage. Your ego finds it comfortable because you're familiar with it, but it is a cage after all. And your soul wants to come free and fly. And the reason your job feels like a cage is because it wasn't built for your nervous system. You're likely an overthinker, an empath. And the hustle of a corporate environment is literally an assault on your peace. I believe for most chosen ones, a soft life is the definition of success. And that starts with owning your schedule. You need a simple business model that allows you to be human first and a business owner second. I do believe that most chosen ones suit best as entrepreneurs because it means that you are in the driver's seat. You are not following somebody else's stream. And it means that you can create passive income. So not trading your time for money by ad revenue, by creating YouTube videos like this, affiliate marketing. So when you recommend a product, you get a commission, or creating your own product. A product is aligned with your purpose. And if you're not sure what your mission, what your purpose is, then I have a free guide on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. I will link it in the description. And you will be guided to this purpose, your purpose as a chosen one, the reason why you're here on earth, what your volunteer role is. You just have to stay open to the nudges, the synchronicities that you see in your environment and how it feels in your body. We're taught in society to be logical and think from the mind, pros and cons list. But if you want to live the beautiful life that you were destined to live, you will get there simply by just following the nudges. And being heart-centered, it's such an important part of that. The more heart-centered you are, the quicker you will get to that end destination, so your dream life. And I'm reading such a good book about this at the moment on how to achieve that Christ consciousness and be more heart-centered so you can really get to your dream life. And it's called Heart-Centered Living by Pamela Cribbe. She's channeling Jesus, and like these messages just resonate with me to my core. It's such a beautiful book. Now, how do you actually hear the whispers of your soul? I find nowadays it is harder than ever because there are so many distractions. So one thing that I've started doing is have more boundaries with tech. So I have now called Cold Turkey Blocker, and it's this browser extension that you set a schedule on like when you want to not be able to access certain websites or your browser or even the whole laptop, and then it will just block that so you can't access it. So I have blocked emails for all of the weekend and then blocked all my browsers from evening to the next morning. And that has really helped me to just be more present and be more in my heart and less distracted. I've also deleted all my social media apps from my phone, so I only have them on desktop because when they're on my phone where I get really addicted and keep checking it all the time. You also want to make time for stillness, whether that is a nature walk every day where you don't listen to any podcasts or music, or it could be a daily meditation, preferably both. Now, if you agree with me so far, if it resonates, you might be like, Julia, I'd love to share my wisdom with the world. I'd love to step into my purpose, but I'm not an expert. There are already so many experts out there. I feel like I wouldn't stand out. I have nothing new to say. And if I drank a shot every time one of my students or people from my audience said that, I would be absolutely wasted. And truth is, this is what I said to myself before I started my business as well. But the truth is that you being human, you being vulnerable, saying, hey, I'm just on this journey with you, I'm still learning and growing, that is what people want. That's what people are hungry for. Authentic people. You only need to be one step ahead of the people you are helping. My first year as a business owner, I was a nomad coach. So I was teaching people how to become a digital nomad. And I had so many limiting beliefs when I started out because I wasn't earning much at that point. But what I realized after getting so many great testimonials is that it was enough just that I had gotten out of the rat race. I didn't need to be a millionaire, a six-figure business at that point. They just want to know, how do I get out? You're traveling the world, working from your laptop, how can I get there as well? So lean into that vulnerability. People are craving that. That makes you seem more human, and that is actually an advantage in this AI world. In an AI world, information is free, but connection will never be. Vulnerability gives others permission to be human, and that is the foundation of a brand that actually moves people. You have too much wisdom to keep it locked inside a 9-to-5 that doesn't care about your soul. Now, it did take me a lot of trial and error to actually get enough views and income to make this my full-time job. I haven't had a job in 8 years now, but I've condensed all this knowledge of how I got here in one simple program, a 10-week boot camp I call Nomad Freedom Academy. So if you're ready to step into your role as a chosen one, be one of the leaders of New Earth, earn passive income so you never need to rely on a job again, link in the description. And there you'll also get more guidance on how to narrow down on one niche, one brand that is unique to you and your mission. And if you want to be able to leave your job very quickly, then you need the right business model. And that's why I recommend you to watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, where I show you which model makes you leave your job quickest. Because it could take you years or it could take you a few months. Hope this was helpful. Love you so much and see you in the next episode.